Have you updated your iPhone to the latest iOS beta, but the new Siri is still missing? Maybe you can't find the new Siri option in settings, or Siri still looks exactly the same as before. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable the new Siri on your iPhone step by step. Before we begin, let's make sure your iPhone is compatible. The new Siri is only available on supported devices. These include iPhone 15, 16, 17, and E. And also keep in mind that the new Siri is currently available only in certain languages and regions. If your language or region is not supported, the new Siri may not appear even after updating to iOS 27 beta. The first thing you gotta do is to change your iPhone language and region. Take your phone and open the settings. Tap on General, then tap Language and Region, and set your iPhone language to English. After that, change the region to United States. Once you finish, your iPhone may take a few moments to apply the changes. Step number 2 is change Siri language. Go back to Settings, scroll down, and tap Siri. Find the language option and select English, United States. After changing the language, wait a few seconds for the settings to update. Step number 3 is to connect to Wi-Fi and wait for Siri download. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a strong and stable Wi-Fi network. The new Siri needs to download additional files in the background. Depending on your internet speed, this process may take a few minutes. Once the download is complete, the new Siri should become available automatically. Now, what can the new Siri do? Let's take a quick look at some of the new Siri features. Feature number 1, activate Siri from the home screen. Simply swipe down on the home screen. You can quickly access Siri and start asking questions. The new Siri feels faster and more natural than before. Feature number 2 is the appearance. When we open the Siri app, we can see that the new interface looks cleaner and is easier to use. Another feature is that you can now talk to Siri more naturally. Ask one question and then continue the conversation without starting over. For example, "Hey Siri, what's the weather today?"
Looks like it will be partly cloudy today, with a high of 89 and a low of 77.
"What about tomorrow?"
The forecast is calling for rain tomorrow, with a high of 88 and a low of 76.
As you can see, Siri can better understand the context on your conversation. Another feature is Siri in camera. The new Siri can also work with your camera. Point your camera at an object or a place and ask Siri about what you are looking at. This can help you learn more about places, products, plants, and many other things around you. If you want to try the new Siri, but your iPhone hasn't been updated to the iOS 27 beta yet, AnyFix can help. AnyFix is an easy iOS system repair and management tool. With its one-click upgrade feature, you can quickly install the latest iOS version without complicated steps. I'll leave the download link in the description so you can install it on your computer. All you have to do is connect your iPhone with the USB cable to your computer. At this part, choose the Update iOS option. All you have to do is click on 27 beta option and download the version. Once the download is complete, click the Upgrade button and your iPhone will start the upgrade automatically. The upgrade will take a few minutes, so be patient and don't disconnect your iPhone during the process. When it's done, you will see a message saying that the update was completed successfully, and now, if you check your iPhone, you will see that it's running the new iOS 27 beta. So now, you can start using all the new features it offers. If this video helped you enable the new Siri on iOS 27 beta, don't forget to give us a like. Leave a comment below and tell us which new Siri features you like the most. And if you want an easier way to upgrade and downgrade or fix iOS problems, be sure to check out AnyFix. Subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.